Alright everyone, today is the day. Here we have it. This guy right here. Look at this. This is gorgeous, dude. This is the Sonic the Hedgehog Lego set. Actually, the very first one, as far as I know. The only other time you can get this bad boy right here is if you got the Lego Dimensions pack with him in it. And I never had that game, so I'm very excited to build this. Let's do it. Can we just talk about this instruction booklet, please? This is gorgeous. I will frame this. Look at this. Look at this dude. So look at this beautiful, this gorgeous instruction booklet, okay? Look at that. That is amazing. You got fan creations. We're celebrating the 30 years, the movie. Alright, people, time for bag number 2. Let's go. Bag number 3. Third Chaos Emerald. Bag number 4. Look at that, we got the little robot dude. Fourth Chaos Emerald. Bag number 5. Chaos Emerald number 5. Bag number 6. We did it, guys. There's the final Chaos Emerald. Overall, guys, I gotta say, I really like the set. I think they did an excellent job with it. I mean, it looks like the game. The little details, like his life in the bottom left corner, the fact that they give you all 7 emeralds. I mean, this is one of those sets that'd be like, I'd frame it if I could. I mean, details are everything with this. Not to mention, this like, the bouncer works, the spring works. Like, come on, man, you can't beat that. The few little extras that you get with it, like another face for the robot and the 3 extra power-ups, like, come on, that's amazing. You can change out your set. And this instruction booklet, dude, like, that's amazing. That's gorgeous.
Alright, one last thing. I don't know about you guys, but this is a complete win for me, okay? When you can have the box and just open it and the set fits perfectly inside, like, come on, dude.
Overall, I think I'd rate this set a 9 out of 10. The only reason it doesn't get a 10 out of 10 is because of the little blocks. As you can see, the pattern of Sonic's world. It's not a complete block. You had to put 2 1x1s together, and bro, that was tedious. So that is the only reason. Other than that, we need more video game sets like this. Like, I understand what they're trying to do with the Mario sets, but I think they can do better. Like, I need a real set. It was announced a little while ago, but we're actually getting a Horizon Forbidden West Lego set. Like, bro, I will most likely be picking this one up because whenever a video game set comes out, I am super excited to grab it because that is literally my 2 hobbies put together. But that is all from me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe. I will definitely be doing more of these, and you will see me later.